Playhouse Disney. Cris Torres, food review outdoors. Hey there, everyone. Today I'm going to do a great value vegetable. As you can see right here, you can't see this picture. I'll show you. Let me tell you, okay? This is a tomato, celery, carrots, another slice of tomato, spinach, beets, and the others. Theirs is a red. It has 100% fruit punch. You have vitamin C, daily value per serving, 1 cup of vegetables. I'm going to use this bottle, so I was wondering, I feel a little nervous, but before I drink it, let me sniff it. Looks pretty, it looks pretty weird to me, so here I go. Wow. You know what it tastes like? Actually, it's not taste bad. This is not yucky. This tastes like most popular's tomato soup. Yeah, that's what vegetable 100% juice at great value tastes like. I'm gonna go out once again. Yep, it does taste like vegetable soup. Like tomato soup, of course. I know they aren't good, but they have vitamin C, a vegetable 100% juice, vegetable juice. Tastes like tomato soup, other. Thanks very much for watching it. I gotta get go. I'll see you next video. Inside a Playhouse Disney.